Hello everybody, welcome to the Fuji Avic Headphone Festival. I'm Danny from DITA Audio, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about our new project. We call it the Dream Project, and we've included a lot of new and what we think are interesting features. The first one that we're very proud of is what we call the Awesome Plug, and here's a 3D printed version of the Awesome Plug. And I think what's cool about the Awesome Plug is it actually adapts to the various kinds of players that you have in the market. So it goes in only one way, and it's got a 4-pole connector. So naturally we could supply this with a 2.5mm TRRS or a 3.5 TRS or even the new Sony 4.4, whichever comes up and becomes popular in the future. Now, it only goes in one way, and that's this way, and it locks on so that you have a much more secure fit. And what's been difficult with this project is trying to streamline it and keep it as small as possible so as to not be too obtrusive, and we also have to keep it strong. Now this is a prototype, so it's printed from polyamide, but we can show you a little bit of how it came about. From the Dream Project onwards, all DITA products in the future will most likely feature the Awesome Plug. They will be included in almost all of our new products. I'm going to grab this real fast. So, here is a lab version of the prototype, which is what we worked on, and we used a 3.5mm Neutrik plug together with a Hirose female connector, and if you pull it apart, that's how it works. We contemplated using the Hirose plug, but unfortunately it was still a little bit too bulky and too big, so in the end we had to streamline it, and what you saw earlier was the streamlined version. We also have a new IEM, which obviously is part of the Dream Project, and here's another 3D printed version of it. This one is 3D printed from titanium. It's unfinished. We contemplated using titanium in this, and it uses a hybrid titanium and plastic design. So this is most likely TPE with a removable cable. And we've resisted using removable cables for the longest time, but with the new Awesome Plug, we think that this could be a very good time to introduce removable cables. It looks like an MMCX, but that's not firm yet because we're still working with manufacturers to determine what kind of a connector is most suited. The new Dream earphone is a little bit bigger, it's a little bit wider. That's why we had to build it out of a very light material to keep the center of gravity as close to the ear as possible. That's always been a DITA trademark. We also have a new driver that's a little bit faster and will reach a little bit lower as well. This is our new project. It's called Dream, and it is scheduled to be released sometime in the middle of 2016. We have a prototype here which has been printed from stainless steel. Can I get that prototype? Yes, the prototype. And this here is a stainless steel prototype, and it looks very crude, but we 3D printed this out of stainless steel so that we could get an idea of how it would react with the current driver, and from there we could project forward working on the Dream project. So that's what we have for the Dream. Thank you very much.